Nelson, the Speaker of the General Assembly, Nzeye Masaba, recently elected by the General Assembly, which convened on 28th December 2024. Since the inception, or rather since the gazettement of the Royal His Highness Mike Mdoma, there has not been a General Assembly. For the reasons may be known to him, but with us we didn't know. It was now 1.5 years without a General Assembly of Nzeye Masaba. He has been going around doing work alone. Yet in Nzeye Masaba structures are the ones empowered to do certain things. So people are not, delegates, chairman went ahead and informed the clans. The clans elected their executives from the grassroots until they got the the delegate to be sent to Nzeye Masaba to form up the General Assembly of Nzeye Masaba. So Nzeye Masaba converged, or rather delegates converged on 28th December. On 28th December, it's now when they came up with the whole committee, they elected the chairman, the speaker, who was actually me, the deputy speaker. It's because of time the thing was adjourned to 9th January. So on 9th January, when we converged again, we had to form the remaining committees, like the Culture Council, which the delegates formed. It comprises of 21 people, 21 members, 7 from each clan of the 3 Zinders of Masaba. Then, of course, they elected Mr. Wamimbi Damian as its chairman. Rose Uteme was the vice chairman. We went ahead to get the secretariat, and the Secretary General, Mr. Olimbo Peke, was elected the Secretary General of Nzeye Masaba. And then we went ahead to form the governing board, which is now being headed by Professor Kiboma Gimui and deputized by Mr. Koroto George. So right now, the ISU organs are in place, and we are going to start to work. But it has not gone well with the Umukuka. We don't know his intentions, but it appears there's some from other reliable sources. He wanted to remain as Umukuka alone and work with his ministers without the structures of Nzeye Masaba according to its constitution. Umukuka had appointed the ministers, including some of us, but the Nzeye Masaba demands that once you are a minister, you must be brought to the General Assembly for vetting and then sworn to become a full minister. But Umukuka is working with these people called ministers just as his own people. Nobody has sworn in to confirm that he is a minister according to the laws governing the Masaba Cultural Institution. So now, with us now in the institution in place, with the General Assembly in place, we are going to work like the requirements demand. If he is not willing to work with us, of course, the General Assembly is more powerful than him. Him being just a mere symbol of peace, and for just a symbol of peace, and for ceremonial services, he will not deter the House, or rather ISU, from proceeding with its work. So therefore, Masaba, you become there is a General Assembly headed by clear-headed people. You shall go on, but we invite him to come and cool down and work. Constitution, well, it is the General Assembly that could look at the certain articles of the Constitution if he wanted them to be changed, but not him single-handedly to change it the way he wishes. Recently, we hear, not only hearing, but there is evidence. We went to the ministry, requested the Minister for State for Uganda, Honorable Peace Mutuzo, that he wanted that General Masaba wanted to change the name of the institution from Inzu Yamasava to Umuguga Weva Masava. So that one actually alters the whole meaning of the whole thing. So if you say Umuguga Weva Masava, that means it is him and himself, which is Wuguga, which I think we shall continue and advise. And where things go hard, I think we shall invite the government to come and address him using the General Assembly. We want to be associated with.